Okay, let's do it. I import footage and pictures, and this is green screen footage, and make a composite. Right click, new solid, and add gradient ramp from white to gray. Okay, and add particle world, CC particle world. Let's turn it off, and first let me create a composite. (1080, 1080), okay, and add this image and turn it off, and this image 50 composite and turn it off, and this video and add highlight. Select green and change this value to make it better. Okay. I'll rename this to texture. Set our texture and add to main composite here. First, let's turn on a star. Okay. Select on solid and go to effect control and turn it on, and in particle change the line to texture square and turn it off texture, and come here in texture, select texture. Okay, you can see a star. And can increase size, bird size. And depth size or size of the end, can make it smaller. And size variation, some large, some medium, and some small. And opacity, change it to 100. Okay. Okay. Select this option to view your background. Okay, go to physics and change gravity to 1 for increase the speed. Go down, and for go up, change it to negative. Okay, and you can add a star here. I can add a star here. Let me search dart. Change it to transparent. Okay, let's select this. Yes. Dart. Okay. I import dart here and import to composite. Press W to rotate this. Okay, here is good. Press V and press Shift, scale down. Press Start and press P. Click here, change position. Here. Okay, and here I wanna explode a star here. Let me duplicate this, and in this solid I turn it off. I turn it off to start and let's start. Press Ctrl Shift D to divide this picture, and here I go to Motion Factory and change this to Particle Builder and select this picture and select this. This is work on PNG image, and go to this and this and this and builder and this and change this to here. And turn it off and change this tone to here. From here is good. Or can't this has to here. Okay, clear this keyframe. And change with it. Okay, so here I make particle Oh, turn on. Yeah. Okay, here I want to stop producing the stars. Click on white solid and go to effect control and birth rate. Click this and, for example, 1 frame. Next, change this to 0. Okay, and here I stop producing. Let's see from first. And you can change a star to heart. Go to texture and turn it off and turn heart on. Look at this, particle is heart. Make it smaller. Okay, and you can change this picture to heart. And add some video, for example. Okay, let me do it for heart. Okay, thank you for watching.